guys, I just bought a new Cherry mobile phone. Kaya dati guys, yung isa kong Nokia nawala. Kulay blue yun eh. Alam ko. I just know everything. Lalagay na natin. Napaka-satisfying tingnan nyo guys. Diba ka nalagay na guys? Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Yan na natin to. Yan. Okay. Lagay na natin kayang case. Kasi mas important yung case dito eh. Guys, open na natin. Bago lang ito eh. So guys, picture lang ako. Camera. Guys tingnan mo makaka-picture ko dito. Guys, nakita mo? Kasi wala tong front camera eh. That makes me challenging. Mamaya guys, mag-unbox pa tayo ng isa pang Cherry mobile. Okay. Bye-bye. Mag-unbox pa ako mamaya.